Residents and business operators in Marchpen St. Catherine are calling for an urgent discussion with the police about a series of curfews affecting their livelihoods. Jamila Maitland visited the area and filed this report.
Padlocks and closed doors. Not the New Year welcome from the usually vibrant Marchpen Road community in Spanish Town, St. Catherine.
From the 26th of December, all business were closed.
The community has been under one of the strictest curfews according to residents. It was triggered by the killing of a man on November 27. The motive, internal gang feud.
Even though it's up the top, having them fiction, we have family and friends up there, we don't want nobody to sit there. But give it time, man. We have bars, we have shop, we have kids to go to school, we have partner for sure, we have round up, we have art about something for doing our life.
Business operators told TVJ News that the community is on edge. Not because of crime, but because livelihoods are impacted.
Most of the things them steal, no truck now come down if you take it back.
We are not asking for the curfew to be lifted. We are just asking for us to survive. We accept and appreciate the police force, which we know that they are doing their job. But we also are doing our job, which need by opening our business. If we even get till 6 o'clock, same way we appreciate it.
So what happens now? Like as basic curfew, how long do you guys get to open?
We don't get no time to open.
That's because there was a double murder on Christmas Day, and on Boxing Day, the police declared it no movement day, leaving the community required a government or work-issued ID.
Residents have described it as worse than COVID-19 lockdown. In fact, for the first time in a while, so many people are on the streets for so long. The police say absolutely no gathering. In fact, while we were here, they stopped and were inquiring what was going on. And so, when we leave, it's back inside until Monday.
We have 3 picnic tomorrow at school. 1 month now the place locked down. Me can't, and 2 of them take bus to school, private transportation. Me can't find that the money there. Me can't find lunch money. Me can't find food. Only through me have a shop so we can eat where we. You understand? But for them go out.
No sell.
According to the police, the grocery shops and cook shops are allowed to be open until 4 p.m. There should be no loitering. Churches are also able to have services. However, there should be no night activities. The bars and gambling shops, however, should remain closed, as these types of gatherings can be targets for gangsters. The issue is that communities like Marchpen Road depend on these small businesses to survive.
Most of them down here, we not sell rum alone. We basically sell every little thing what we can sell.
Business operators want to discuss appropriate curfew times so they can plan properly. They say inquiries are often met with aggression and in some cases warning shots by the lawmen.
There's nobody to talk to, and I think we need somebody to represent us, with somebody that we can talk to.
TVJ News was unable to reach Councillor Sydney Roman. Phone calls and messages went unanswered. Member of Parliament for South Central St. Catherine, Dr. Andrew Wheatley, declined to speak on the matter and directed us to the St. Catherine North Police. Commanding Officer Senior Superintendent Hopton Nichols acknowledged the concerns and committed to meeting with the business operators. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.